Even as the Islamic world's top diplomats met recently in Niger under the umbrella of the OIC's Council of Foreign Ministers to present a united face to the world, it was obvious that narratives were changing within the Muslim bloc. The good news is that despite the omission of the Kashmir question in the OIC's agenda, it appears that Pakistan has managed to score a major diplomatic victory. On Saturday, the Foreign Office issued a press release stating the OIC had adopted a resolution that condemned Indian tactics in the held region. Before the two-day event, the Foreign Office had rubbished the notion that the Kashmir issue would not be taken up, blaming it on false Indian propaganda. Even then, there had been doubts. In August, Pakistan Foreign Minister had shown signs of impatience at the OIC's delay in convening a foreign ministers meeting on Kashmir. In February, Prime Minister Imran Khan, during a visit to Malaysia, had himself spoken of divisions over the matter of Kashmir. Indeed, with India unlawful annexation of the disputed territory and the worsening persecution of the Kashmiris, resolutions alone won't do, and the OIC must take strong steps to draw the attention of world to the oppression and cruelty that in the occupied land. Meanwhile, divisions could be seen in other aspects. For instance, an official from Iran's foreign ministry pointed to the growing between Israel and some Arab nations on the verge of establishing formal relations with the state, suspicious of designs for decades. Now, the killing of yet another nuclear scientist near Tehran on Friday has led to Iranian allegations of an Israel hand in the murder. Many quarters have also linked the UAE recent decision to stop issuing new visas to citizens of a number of Muslim countries, including Pakistan, to the efforts to some closure of Israel. Not least among those concerned have been who see no hope for their future at the time when even their Arab are leaving them at the mercy of an Israel state that is expanding settlements on occupied lands beside resorting to brutal tactics against the Arab population.